Assalamualaikum. Did you pay for your posters, flyer and logo to the graphic designer? Is not it expensive? Let's learn how to make a flyer for your own company or organization. Even that you can make this flyer and sell to anyone and earn a lot of money through graphic designer. Look at I make this flyer in Canva within a 2 minutes. So you can make any of the flyer according to your choice in Canva just in 2 minutes. But you just have to learn some basic skills for that. So let's learn. First of all, open the Chrome and come on the Canva. There is an option create a design and there is an option flyer. You can type here flyer flyer. I hereby choose a flyer A4 21 by 29. You can choose according to your choice or requirements. You can see here some templates are already given. You can see here some templates are already given just like that, or if I will add here another page and there are a lot of other template, you can choose any of the template according to your choice and your requirements. I hereby write a poster for a makeup and you can see there are a lot of options, so I will choose here according to my choice and then I will change it on my own choice. So I hereby choose this. This is beauty soft and this one. So first of all, if you want to delete any box, just delete it and you can change the text. For example, if I want to add this, I hereby type beauty makeup. Now as I want another text box here because I want to add a tagline here, so simply go to word text, add a heading. This is the heading and just mention here any tagline or any text that you want. For example, I want here, I just had there you are beautiful. Now you can change the text here to make it more stylish. So simply comes to word phone and just change the text according to your choice like that or anything that you want. Look, it's look more elegant. So come on that, it is already bold. You can change even the color because if you want to make it more brighter. There are some another stylish font too, so I hereby add this font here and I will delete this because it is very simple and your flyer should be a stylish. So I will adjust this text because I will reduce the font just like a 70, so it will automatically reduce that. I hereby change the style because I like light colors, so that's why I style it as that. You can style it on your own choice. So it is not okay. Come to the elements, come to the frames. Add some frames here. So I will click on the frames. So there are some frames at the corner frames here. Okay. You have to choose a corner frames like this one. So put it on that side or simply rotate it like that and set on that. Now copy that and again rotate it and set it according to that one. Don't tense that. I think so you said I damage it but not. We said it. Now I have to fill these frames. Again comes to the element and there is an option images. You can see here options images at the start photos. Go to the photos, search the photos because my flyer is about makeup, so just write here makeup and go down. There will be a lot of pictures. Choose one picture and set to the frame according to your flyer. For example, I will choose that and set on that. Now, if I want this type of image in the background or this type of image in the background, select this image and drop here. Reduce its size if I want. Okay, that's fine. But now click on the transparency and look, it will go to the background. Just like that. Now check. I want to add these brushes too, so I hereby select this image and simply put it here. Now again come to word transparency and below that, more below that. So before that there will be one brush, now there are more than one brushes. You can see now beauty makeup is looking blur, so change this. I hereby select this image, go on the position and put it backward so that beauty makeup can be pop out. Okay, I simply select this image, go on the position and click on the backward so that image move to the backward and text is appear on the top. I again change it and I look this one of the different picture here, so I put it that here. So after that, according to your choice, when you finalize it, just go on the share, scroll down, there is an option download. Not all pages, just current page. Okay, then there is an option PNG and JPG. PNG will take some time, so go towards JPG. You can also go with PNG. Somehow big, quality obviously that and don't. So it is final look of my flyer for makeup. So design your own flyer and must share me in the comment either you make your flyer or not. Thank you for watching.